All right, I'm going to show you how to make your own room booking site, like an Airbnb style booking system that you can embed on any website builder, and we're going to do it all for free using no-code tools. You're not going to need to know any programming, you're not going to need to know anything, and you're going to either use completely free tools or tools on the free plan. Let's do it. The primary tool we're going to be using is Airtable, and we're going to combine a couple of tools beyond that. But start with an Airtable account. It's a free tool. This is what it looks like inside of Airtable. It's just basically a simple little database tool, and I build two, within one Airtable base, I built two tables. We have availability, which is just where you list out a series of dates that you want people to be able to book, and then we have bookings, which is, this is the form view, which is where people can actually submit bookings, and that's just going to have a list of all the submissions that your clients and customers submit. You're going to add a form tool where people can go, and they can actually submit things via a form. And this is all built right into Airtable. You can select dates, super simple, awesome. And we want to connect those two bases, or those two tables, via a little lookup. So this is a link to availability. This links back to the availability page, and it'll give us an option to select any of these. They can only select dates that are available that we have set. Now in this submission form, it's just your name, your email, and dates. And when we go to the dates, there are booked dates that are still there. So we can fix that really quickly. We go over to availability. We want to filter at a condition where the booking record is empty. So only when there's nothing in the booking record is it going to show up here. And then we go back to our bookings submission form. Let's go back down to here. And we go edit the field, and we're going to limit the record selection to a view. And that view is going to be only available dates, which is what we have labeled our other little base, that view we just created. Confirm change. Great. And so now, when we are selecting dates here, it'll only show ones that are available. Perfect. So when people submit this, it goes right into the little system, and they can select multiple dates as well. So they can just go and they can select one date, they can select two dates, and they can select whenever they want to stay at your little spot. And the nice thing about this is we can go to this submission form, we can open the form, or we can share the form. And that form link you can put anywhere. That could just be a little submission. You can pop it anywhere you want. And you can even embed, if we go back to availability, we can even embed this calendar view anywhere we want. So I could go and I could share this view, and I can embed it on my website, my card website, my Webflow website, whatever. At the bottom of that form, we want to add payment. So you're just going to show this message. Thank you for submitting the form, whatever. Please visit gumroad.com/a-link to pay and finish your reservation. This is Gumroad. It's a super free little payment tool, but when people submit on that payment tool, you can just go back into your little Airtable base, add a little checkbox on reservations, and when somebody does pay, you give it a checkbox, and they're good.